In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block quote in Google Docs, and we'll cover it in just about 5 minutes. Block quoting is a great way to highlight important sections of text or to distinguish extensive quotations within your documents. Whether you're working on an academic paper, a professional document, or even just organizing notes, mastering this skill can significantly enhance the readability and organization of your work. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and you'll see the Google Docs link right at the top of the search results. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Simply enter your email and password to gain access. If you don't have an account, creating one is straightforward and free. Once logged in, you have the option to open an existing document where you'd like to add a block quote or, if you wish, create a new document. For our purposes, either option works just fine. Now, it's time to select the text you want to format as a block quote. Simply click and drag over the section of text that you want to convert. This could be a few sentences or an entire paragraph. Once your text is selected, we're going to draw our attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the Format option. Click on Format and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, hover over Align and Indent, then select Increase Indent. You'll notice that doing this indents the entire paragraph from the left, giving it that distinctive block quote appearance. But for a more typical block quote styling, you might want to indent from the right as well. To do this, go back to the Format menu, then hover over Align and Indent again. This time, click on Indentation Options. A dialog box will pop up, providing more precise control over your formatting. In this box, you'll see options to adjust both left and right indentation values. Increase the right indentation by your desired amount to achieve a balanced block quote style. This not only visually sets apart the text, but also adds to its emphasis in your document. By following these simple steps, you're able to create block quotes that stand out and are clear to read. Remember, using block quotes effectively can make a big difference in how your document is perceived, enhancing clarity and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to practice a few times, and soon enough, you'll be block quoting like a pro in Google Docs.